Hi, Epstein with your morning price update. This update is for the morning as we're sitting here now on Wednesday, and this is the 22nd of May, 2024, 8:20 a.m. Central Time. Well, as you can see, you've got a mixed picture in the stock market. Most of the stock indices, the Dow, the S&P, and the Russell are down, but the Nasdaq is up. Nasdaq is up in part because today is Nvidia Earnings Day. And the market is looking for a move in Nvidia plus or minus 11 percentage points off of that. Now, Nvidia is heavily weighted in other indices. So as it goes, so will the market go. So just be ready for that. We are still looking at a sell-off taking place in the energy markets. It still looks as though the world is concerned that things are slowing down. We are looking today at the grain market, sort of mixed, not going much of anywhere. Bonds and notes adding a little bit more yield. Today is the 22nd, so we are due starting now to hear what the SEC is going to do between Van Eck and I think it's Blackstone funds coming out, so be ready for that. Are they going to approve or deny the Ether ETFs? The dollar up a little bit, but a mixed bag in most of the currencies, as you can see. The gold market down $12. Silver market, well, it's a big recovery. It was down 40 cents more than this. It has since come back. Silver's continuing to be stronger than the gold market. I've been looking for a big retracement in copper to get long. I'm getting it. You're down 17 cents right now. And in platinum market, you're down 1.6. Part of what's going on in the copper market is the market is not accepting the fact that what China's doing is enough for its property market. That doesn't mean they're not doing a lot. It's just not enough. And that's going to be the real problem. I brought up, if you get my full written research, the problems. You can throw all the money you want and give money. Who's going to finish these buildings? If the developer doesn't get it and the bank is buying the building, somebody's got to go in and finish the buildings or these individual homes that are going out there. The problem doesn't just go away because we're going to make it easier to buy them. You've got a bigger problem than that, and finishing a lot of the projects that have just completely stalled out as their property market rug was pulled out from under. In terms of the day's data today, we had the mortgage market, U.S. mortgage market headline recap. And as you could see, you saw an increase, and that is good in the index, 2019 versus the prior week's 198.10. The purchase index was also at 140 versus the prior week, 141.7. That is down, but the refi went up to 536.9 versus the 499. So that is a big increase. So people are taking advantage of each break they can as they're buying homes and saying, hey, I better refi what I've got. Are they soon? Are they late? I don't know. When we go further, we're going to get existing home sales this morning around 9 o'clock. The Federal Reserve is going to release their May 1st FOMC meeting notes at 1. All eyes will be on that. The EIA numbers come out at 9:30, Nvidia, and we've had both the European Central Bank and the Bank of England put out reports today on how their CPIs are doing, wages and so on. I cover that in full detail in my morning report today. What I do with my full research, it's a little different than a lot. And not only do I do my morning videos where we open up and we look at 40 charts at a time, see what they're bringing to us, but I write about the markets twice a day. I start Sunday night and then twice Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday and Friday morning. I also write some special reports. The reports look like this. The trade recommendations, if it's a buy, it's in green, or red, it's in sale. It's specific with get in here, get out there, and I match it up with the morning videos. So not only do I write about the markets and give you reasons for trades, I then give you the trade rec and I back it up in a video showing often what the market is looking like in a combination. And the key word here is combination of daily and weekly charts. I don't know if you get other brokers that do that, but most don't. So I also do something else that I think you'll find interesting. I cover all these markets in detail. A lot of people say, Ira, you don't cover in your reports here a lot on the grain market or the soft markets. I know. I cover it all in these, and I do it every day. So it can be corn, wheat, soybeans, soybean meal, soybean oil, coffee, cocoa, sugar. I'm all over the markets, the cotton market included in all that. And of course, all the headline markets are done, and daily and weekly charts are often provided to you. You get access to my window futures. You know, a lot of people think it's only Bollinger Bands and where do you take money off the market and so on. All of this also comes in a free QT Mobile that we give you. It works on both Android and your Apple. Charts, quotes, news, weather situations for you grain traders, all there. And then free access to my special reports. You know, you just saw a gold report. Today I'm doing another report. It'll be on a Spider ETF today. You only get 2 of those a year, free if you're not a subscriber. It's included in my subscriptions here. So any subscription you get, that is included with it. Just go to iraepstein.com research. You can see the different subscription packages we have for more research. I think you'll find it super interesting and maybe, just maybe, give you some trade ideas. Move your cursor to the top here. If you look for an icon, that'll take you there. Otherwise, iraepstein.com, and you can always call my staff. I'm Ira. I'll catch up with you at the end of the day, and we will review tonight in the Spider ETF how Nvidia's numbers came out and how the market reacted to it. You take care.